Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
My name is Divya Yadav, and we are coming from Vinibron Healthcare Solutions.
So here are our two products, Alzo Watch and Alzo Vision. Alzo Watch stands for a smart safety device for Alzheimer patients, and Alzo Vision, we are making it for Alzheimer patients, and which stand for empowering memories, restoring independence.
So this is our team. We have our founder, Dr. Nirupam ma'am. This is the team Dipanshu and Radhika. They are the team who are creating Alzo Watch. And team 2, Shivanshu, Divya and Shreyansh, we are creating Alzo Vision, which is glasses, basically smart glasses, which help Alzheimer patients to capture their memories, and it is powered by AI. So if we do the glasses, first click pictures every 5 minutes, and it will send to the database, and then the AI will give transcript through that picture. The caregiver will see what is happening and what is happening around the patient. So our vision is we want to become a leader in innovative healthcare technology for Alzheimer patients, and our mission is to develop a market type product for Alzo Watch and Alzo Vision.
And I'll like to tell about the Alzo Watch. So Alzo Watch is a IoT based wearable device. So what it does is it sends the location to the caregiver and many vital information like the heartbeat and like the sweat. अगर कोई heartbeat में abnormal होती है या अगर sweat अगर abnormally होता है, so caregiver के पास message जाएगा कि that someone like my father, like my grandfather. So अगर उनके साथ अगर कोई medically emergency होती है, so it's easy as a caregiver for me to give them medical assistance. And अभी जो market में products हैं वो directly are not connected to the caregiver and the taker. So it's like a win-win situation for both. If I want to send a message to my grandfather, so I can send it directly, or if I want to see where he is going or where he is, so that I'll know, or if is there any medical emergency, like I'm sleeping in my room, he's sleeping in his room, and at night he requires me if he has like his heartbeat goes abnormally or he sweats abnormally. So for that. And about Alzo Vision, so I'll tell the working of the Alzo Vision. So what Alzo Vision does is ये हर 5 मिनट में एक फोटो लेता है, and that photo you can see in your smartphone, like as a caregiver key where he is. We have connected a 166 degree of camera. It's a wide angle camera. So what it does is हर 5 मिनट में it clicks a picture. You can see it on your phone, and with AI it generates an emotional description of the scene. Like if I am standing here and you guys are sitting there, so it will generate कि what is happening in the moment or what is there in the moment. And हर 5 मिनट में वो पहले के 30 सेकंड के और बाद के 30 सेकंड, लाइक टोटल 1 मिनट की ऑडियो रिकॉर्ड करता है, जो कि ट्रांसक्रिप्ट होके फिर वापस प्लेटफॉर्म पे जाती है. तो वो जो डिस्क्रिप्शन है, दैट डिस्क्रिप्शन विल बी सो प्रिसाइज्ड कि वो ये भी बता पाएगा कि व्हाट वेर द 3 गुड टेक अवेज जो भी कन्वर्जेशन में हुए, या वो बात किसके बारे में हो रही थी. जो पूरा डाटा है that will be available in like one platform. So we have like integrated the glasses and we have integrated the watch.
Currently, the technology readiness level is on 5th level. So our prototype is fully developed. So we need funds to prepare or to make a market compatible model for Alzo Watch and for Alzo Vision. But the total addressable market size for Alzheimer patients, so the affected population is globally is 5.5 CR, and in India it's 4.2 million. And it is expected to be 75 million or 7.5 crores globally, and 5 million, 50 lakhs in India locally. And the market size for this care assistive technology, as we are preparing medical assistive device, so the market size for this is $150 billion, and locally it's 200,000 crores.
Talking about AlzoVision, it is like कि वो lifestyle product के जैसे भी use हो सकता है. If I am sitting in a meeting and I want to see कि अगर चल क्या रहा है meeting में, so I'll turn on and वो पूरा video record करेगा and वो पूरी audio record करेगा. And in your phone you can, after the meeting you can see कि what are the 3 important takeaways or what are the top 10 points happened there or what are the top 10 movements there happened. और this is like कि आप उसमें लोकेशन भी स्टोर होगी विथ टाइम स्टैम्प एंड एवरीथिंग. सो अगर आपकी जैसे बहुत फ्रीक्वेंटली मीटिंग होती हैं, किसी की बहुत फ्रीक्वेंटली मीटिंग होती हैं, सो दे एबल टू सी कि कल की मीटिंग में क्या हुआ था या परसों क्या हुआ था या 1 साल पहले क्या हुआ था, एवरीथिंग. वी आर बेस्ड ऑन BML मुंजाल यूनिवर्सिटी गुरुग्राम हरियाणा, एंड वहीं पे हम इंक्यूबेटेड भी हैं एंड वी आर अ 3rd year BTech students.
You got any grant from them?
Yes, sir. We got 1,20,000 grant, 60,000 for AlzoVision and 60,000 for AlzoWatch, and जिसकी वजह से अभी हम और प्रोडक्ट डेवलप कर रहे हैं फर्दर.
So, who is the founder, by the way? What's your table structure?
So our founder is the Dr. Nirupama ma'am. She's not available as she's out of
the core team member, or you do have some
team members, management team members. Yes, sir.
Got it. So you are more focused towards elderly people or the people who want to use for the meetings and all that stuff?
Right now we are focused on elderly peoples like plus 60 years of age, but the product has the potential to be used as a lifestyle product. कि if there is a woman, she is going out, so अगर कैमरा डिटेक्ट करता है कि there is something uneven going in the scene, कि like scene में अगर कोई threat है, so it will send the caregiver a message with the live video recording and the live audio recording and with the location and timestamp कि अब हो क्या रहा है, जितनी भी बैटरी होगी उसमें, like this.
Got it. Thank you. Thanks for the presentation.